Hi, everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to share Ramadan's special crispy beef cutlets recipe. Very easy and delicious recipe. Oil 2 to 3 teaspoon. Onion 1 cup. Sauté 1 minute. Minced beef 800 grams. Stir and mix. Black pepper 1 teaspoon. Garlic paste 1 teaspoon. Ginger paste 1 teaspoon. Green chili 2 tablespoons. Chili flakes 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Garam masala 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Mix. Cover and cook 20 minutes. Check in between. Done. Transfer to the bowl. Boiled potato 1 large. Roasted gram flour 1/3 cup. Coriander leaf 2 to 3 tablespoons. Honey mustard 2 tablespoons. Mozzarella cheese 1 cup. Tasting salt 1 teaspoon. Mix. Done. Make a cutlet. Follow the steps. Done. Egg wash. Breadcrumbs. Deep with egg wash. Coat with breadcrumbs. Done. Freeze up to the month. Fry until golden brown and crispy. Flip. Done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.